Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice Monet. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Get your girl to 20K subscribers and become part of the family, of course, duh. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am surprising my boyfriend for his birthday. Right now, he's out, so I'm gonna make this intro real quick because I need to hurry up and set up so y'all could see like the setup I'm gonna do for him. But today is his birthday, so I'm gonna surprise him for his birthday. He's like the type of boyfriend who like don't really care about his birthday, but it is what it is. But I'm here to show him like I go all out for your birthday, okay? With that being said, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Get your girl to 20K subscribers, and let's get straight into this video. And I'm wearing his favorite color, blue. Okay, I did like the 5 cents gift for his birthday, so I got some bags from Amazon. I'm about to show y'all right now. So I got the bags from like Amazon, like I said before. So we got touch, we got taste, smell, sight, and then we got sound. So y'all know what I'm about to do. I'm about to set up. Y'all gonna watch me set up, and that's about it because I need to hurry up. Okay, y'all, so taste, I got him all his favorite snacks. He liked blue Doritos. And he liked Chips Ahoy's, and I also got it in the color blue, of course, because that's his favorite color. Yes, I pay attention. I'm gonna do sound next. For sound, he already got a lot of speakers and headphones, so I just got him like, what you gonna call it? I'm gonna just show y'all. Oh yeah, so for sound, I got him a hair trimmer, like a clipper like what the barber be using because it makes sound. So I got him that, plus he needed some because he always said he want to try to shape up his own hair, so that was great that I got this. Now for smell, I went ahead and got him some like fragrance, you already know. Then I got him this like mini sampler too. We're gonna go into sight. So sight, I got him this cute sweater. I can't wait to show y'all. I got him this sweater, and then plus it says our name on the sleeve. It says Jay and Tay. Yeah, y'all see the concept, but it says Jay and Tay. But I got him this cute sweater, of course blue, because blue is his favorite color. So I got that for sight, and then also I got him some more things for sight. Oh, I also got him this thing from Amazon. It says something about, I'm not even gonna open it, but this is for the sight, so he could put on his little gaming desk that I got him for Christmas too. I don't remember exactly what it says, but when I show his like reaction of him opening all his gifts, then y'all gonna see what it is. So for touch, I got him some socks. This one is actually a gamer socks. I forgot exactly what it says. I think it says do not disturb, I'm playing a game, or whatever that is. Now for this one, this is socks too, but instead of like a gamer one, it's for like a car person, because he's a car guy. So I was like, why not get him something to do with the cars for me? And I got him something else. I forgot what else I got him. This can't be the only one. And I also got him this pillow thing. It's not actually a pillow. I thought it was gonna come in a pillow, but it's actually a pillowcase. But it says hug me. What it says? It's hug this pillow when you miss me. So I'm gonna have to buy a whole separate small pillow to put this on, so whenever he's missing me, you go ahead and hug this. And of course, like I said before, I got him his favorite color, blue. Last but not least, I got him this keychain that says drive safe, I need you here with me, with my initials. But yeah, it basically says drive safe, I need you here with me, with my initials. When he see this, he gonna be super happy. I already know, I can see his reaction right now. So I'm thinking, should I leave it for sight? I think I'm gonna put this in sight. All right, y'all, this is the setup so far right now. Like, you can't tell me it's not giving, so I gotta fix the balloon because the balloon won't stay in place. But you see the setup, you see the concept, okay? I'm about to decorate the counter a little bit more and clean up a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you guys like what it looks like so far. I definitely forgot to show y'all, I ordered this too. I got him this camera webcam setup to put on like whenever he's playing games too. So I'm gonna add this to the site because I think it makes sense, since it is a webcam, it makes sense to put it in sight. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, y'all, so right now I'm blowing up some balloons to like have sitting around the place. And yeah, it's self-explanatory, come on now. I'm gonna be mad if I, you know, I ain't gonna say it. Okay, y'all, so this is the cake. It looks so cute. They forgot to put happy birthday Tehran. I was gonna say something, but it was like I was already running behind, so I was like, you know what, I ain't gonna I ain't gonna do too much. But it was supposed to say happy birthday to Ron. But this is how the cake look, y'all. The side of it is actually blue sprinkles and white sprinkles. But I made his cake his favorite color too. Alright, y'all, so we are done setting up. You already know 25. We got the balloons on the floor. And then let me show you guys around the island. You already know all of his gifts is in here. Then we got our cake right here. Then we got our snack / drink area over here. And nothing really over here. This is just a cake box and whatnot. But yeah, y'all, this is how it's looking so far. It's looking so cute. Thank you to the gang for helping. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna get ready to surprise him. Okay, y'all, he's here. I'm waiting for him to like, okay. Why am I whispering? Y'all, like. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Look at that face. Happy birthday to
you. Nah, y'all did that.
Yeah. Thank you, Deja.
Bro. Because I was stalling, I was just like, I should get another beer. And then Teron said, I got a Modelo at the house.
Yay, look at the front.
Nah.
Look at the front. You like it?
Bro. Am I tripping? Yes.
Is he high?
Yes, he is.
Oh.
Look at the front. Come to the front. Come to the front.
Nah. Is this real life?
Yeah.
Sight, smell, sound. Dang, yo. Damn, I can't shed no tear in front of my niggas. Man. I love y'all, man.
Extra shorty.
Hold on.
I love you.
I love you more.
My favorite color too,
Yes.
man.
Look. I told y'all his favorite color.
How did y'all have time to do this?
So y'all
I mean, like,
that's what you
I didn't see none of this. Where was this? How do y'all be planning these things? Should I start?
Yeah, go ahead, start.
Which one?
Whichever one you want to start with.
Dang. Nah, cause you know I like to smell it. Yeah, I appreciate y'all, man.
Yo, oh my god.
Bro, sound. Let me see the sound here. It's something that makes noise.
Yeah, it is.
It is. Bro! Nah. It's a hair trimmer. I've been saying, for the longest, I've been saying I'm gonna get some clippers. Cause I gotta cut Papa hair.
That's right.
Dang. Yeah, y'all about to see even random slits in my eyebrows.
Period.
Oh my god. Now, where did you get these bags from though? These are custom?
Yeah, those are really nice.
Stop asking questions and just open the gifts.
I need to know for the future. Man.
Well, that was supposed to be. Well, you have to open it.
Alright, that's cool. It's cool.
Oh, it's
I already love it. I don't care what it is. I love
Oh, yeah.
it. Let's see. Hair novelty socks. Let's see what it say. I'm busy gaming. Oh yeah. And they got the little grippers too when I'm sitting in the bed. Yeah. Dang, thank you. And it's blue. Dang. Everything is my favorite color.
She's wrapped in your favorite color.
For real, like.
That's your man. That's my man.
Alright. Hug this pillow until you can hug me.
This was supposed to be a pillow.
this. Hey. Come on now, this the only flavor. You can't do nothing else. And she know how I feel about chocolate. Yeah, boy. I don't know if this gonna be here by tonight. And the gum.
You love it.
I love gum and I need it right now because I don't know what's up with this new toothpaste we trying, but. Oh! Yo, I'm about to start streaming for real, bro. Oh. And you funny too, cause you keep saying, I wonder what camera them streamers use. I'm like, I don't know, but I'm about to find out. Yo.
Oh, that was a good way to play it.
Oh, you gotta open that one. You said your heart getting fast? Oh,
Yeah.
gosh.
To my king, never forget that I love you forever. I hope you believe in yourself as much as I believe in you.
Aww.
Dang, babe. Come on now, stop. Hold up. Give me a second. Hold up. Gangsta.
You about to cry?
Nah, you feel me? I'm just young.
Aww, you about to cry?
Dang, yo. That's crazy. And you know what's so funny? I was just trying to find a hoodie to put on today. Cause I'm like, damn, I gotta wash my clothes. Oh! Nah. Yeah. Don't invite me nowhere. You already know what I'm wearing.
Yeah.
Come on,
What did it say?
What did he say?
Tay.
J and Tay. Damn, yo.
I love
Ah,
that.
man.
Oh.
Show the camera.
I'm about to, yo.
Wait, no, the
Oh yeah, let me not mess up the cake, man. What's this? Drive safe. Oh shoot. Drive safe. I need you here with me. You know what? I need this. Just for you. I'ma only go 15 miles over the speed. We have so great, my favorite guy. I love you. It means a lot. It means you're a gift. I thank God for it, and I still thank you. You're quite a catch. You're one of a kind.
He about to cry.
No, I'm not, yo. Like, you know.
It's okay to be emotional.
Bro, I ain't crying. I ain't crying since I was a jit.
Cat.
I love you, babe.
I love you, Marla.
This is like, this is too much.
You said it's too much?
This is too much.
I want you to
I don't
enjoy
deserve
yourself.
all this, man.
He really crying, y'all.
Come on, first of all, no. I'm just drunk and I smell the alcohol from my breath. You know what I'm saying? It's my birthday, okay? I could be drunk. Anyway, I just want to say, man, God has really blessed me, you know, with my family, my friends, my wife. I'm just so happy, you know what I'm saying? Like, I couldn't ask for anything better, man. It's the best birthday, you feel me? But yeah, man, this alcohol getting all in my eyes every time I talk, bro. That's why, so I'm gonna stop talking, you feel me? Like, word,
Aww.
I love you.
I love you.
Y'all crazy. Dang.
Yeah, I'm weak. Should I put it in the middle?
No, put it at the top.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Holla at me on Monday.
Look, oh, just had a brother day out.
Hey. Hold on, I'll take that.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, you listen to this one?
Happy birthday to you.
I love y'all, man, and I appreciate y'all, you know? We gonna make it.
For
We gonna
sure.
make it.
This video about to blow up. We are gonna make it.
We making it. I look green.
I know.
I'll do this because, you know, since 2020, some people are a little funny about
It's
that.
your candle. You can blow if you want to.
No.
Well, if you don't blow
That's your birthday cake.
there you go.
Alright, let's get a knife.
That was very considerate.
As y'all can see, he loved all his gifts. So this will sum up this video. If you guys enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Get your girl to 20K subscribers. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hello.